So we're going to take the following, which is written in an exponential form, and then we're going to write it in a what? In a log form. Now, what does a log do? A log, it's a base stealer. A log, it's a base of an exponent. Now, what does an exponent have? Let's look at this one. This thing here is an exponential. Why do you say it's an exponential? It has two parts. In a base, we got to one a base, even an exponent. And then basically, you have a number, which is 16. So this one, we call it a number. And then we have this one, which we call a base. And then we have the exponent, also known as the index. If I use an exponent, I use the index. So what does the log do? In log, it has the ability to take an exponent down. What does the log do? In log, the only thing that the log does is to come here. There is a base. No? If there's a base, if I come and take this thing here, what do you think is going to happen? If I come and steal this thing here, what do you think is going to happen? If I take this 4, there's a 4 here. If I come and take this person here, what is going to happen? The 2 is going to come down. Okay? Yeah, let's say you are standing on top of something and then I come and take that thing from you. If I take that thing, you're going to fall. So what does the log do? The log then takes this base. And then the 2 falls. If the 2 falls, you're going to have 2. Okay? It has fallen. Now, things don't just disappear in minutes. We want to know what happens to that base. We're going to take that base and then give it to log. And then it's going to say log base 2. And then you write this 16. The 16 is still there. So you are changing this thing here. It's in an exponential form. You are writing it in a what? In a log form. Yes. It's log base. Huh? Oh, it's 4. Sorry about that. Oh. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So what does the log do? In log, it's a base stealer. I mean, I call it a base stealer, which it's going to go there and then steal the base. No? Now you want to check what is the base. What is the base? The base is 4. Okay? Yeah. So what's going to happen is that the 2 is going to go down. This is the 2, it goes down. Okay? The base is gone. What happened to the base? What are we going to do to the base? We're going to give it to what? To log. Yeah? And then what are we going to have? We are going to have log, and then it's the base 4. And then we still have the 16 here. So it's going to say log base 4, 16. Log base 4, 16 is equivalent to 2. You can check it in your calculator. It is equivalent to 2. Yes, that's the truth. Are we together? Yeah. What do we? No, don't do it on your calculator. When you're going to write this thing here, it's in an exponential form. When you're going to write it in a log form, this is it in a log form. So these are your marks. I'm going to be marking you to be able to do this. You need the skill. You will see why you need it. What are we doing now? We are changing an exponential into what? Into a log. What is our activity here? We are changing an exponential into what? Into a log. Why do you need it? You will see it on the next activity. So here's a math. We need to be able to change an exponential into what? Into a log. How do you change it basically? We say whenever you are going to steal the base, again, if you steal the base, what are you going to have? You're going to have log 3, and then you're going to write root 3, which is going to be equal to what? 1 all over 2. Then this is the exponential in a what? This is the exponential in a log form. So what are you going to do for me now? You're going to do activity number 8. Give the activity number 8, man. Express this in a index. Huh?